So you have only a Nigerian passport.
That's the only best.
How do you travel well?
Oh, I have issues, but I really don't care because when you have nothing to hide and you're not bothered about anything, with me and my passport, they ask questions. Normal, it's fine, as long as you know your answers and you have nothing to hide, then, why not? But when they look at your passport, first of all, like, how are you Nigerian? So even when I went for Umrah in Saudi Arabia, those guys looked at me like, how?
Where's your real passport?
But let me
That's
tell you
what they're
the story.
asking.
This
Yeah.
will be an exclusive story for you.
Ooh.
I went to America with my wife and kids were transiting. I got to the airport and the guy, asked for my passport, gave me my passport and my wife and kids' passport, and then he gave me back their passport and then told me that I should follow him. So I followed him inside and he made me sit down for some time, like 10, 15 minutes.